Hi team, hi guys. Today's topic is 4 things which you can implement in your account and get success. I'm talking about Google AdWords. Now Google AdWords, it's quite crucial nowadays. People, every person who learn about Google AdWords who can implement the project or implement the accounts very easily. They can like add keywords, add campaign, groups, negative keywords, everything is perfect. But what 4 things which can bring a success in the accounts, get a more visitors, more clients, and you make your clients happy. So he's Dharmesh and I'm Nirlev. Both are CEO at GBM. Also closely work with our clients. Okay, in terms of strategy, in terms of technical things in SEO, AdWord, and social media. So now, what are those 4 things which I am going to talk about? The first one is about the structure of your campaign. I'm talking about Google AdWord campaign. So what sort of structure you have to make? Always keep that structure in a Excel file as well. Okay, where you can get an idea how your structure is. So in a structure changes. In structure, you have to make your campaign, you have to create your ad groups where all ad groups should created differently. So I'm asking Mr. Dharmesh how you make your structure properly.
Yeah, so hi guys, this is Dharmesh Patel. I'm also the Google AdWord expertise and working on some of the big clients on the India level. So my structural level strategy would be the people usually don't create any structure. They just directly start a campaign, add their keywords and add their ads and starting a campaigns directly. Okay, but yeah, here I would like to give you some strategy which you can implement. Create maximum ad groups. Okay, create ad groups by the keywords. Okay, don't add all the keywords under one ad groups. Create more and more ad groups. Okay, create ad group as per the broad match modifier, from phrase match modifier, broad match. Okay, create a different ad groups. You can create n number of ad groups. Okay, so use that implements. Okay?
So basically, like when you create one campaign, under campaign you create a multiple
ad groups,
and those ad groups should differently target with different keywords. So can we make like ad group like there are 3 kinds of keywords where the phrase, broad, and exit. So can we make a different ad group for those 3 things, 3 kinds of keywords as well?
Yeah, you can also create that as well. Okay, what some of the campaigns which you think that this have a good budget. Okay, or this keyword are broadly searchable. Okay, like in our industry, SEO is a lot of people are searching. Okay, so it's a huge number of people are searching. Okay, but don't do this practice when there is no or hardly any searches for that particular product or services.
Okay, also I heard like when you create your structure, you create your new campaign, so that time you cannot add, you should not add a negative keywords for few days. Is it true?
Basically, yeah, it's true actually, because of when you are creating a campaign, okay, a lot of people what they are doing, they are adding a lot of negative keywords. Okay, so Google is not giving you any impressions. Okay, because the fundamental would be at least start your campaign with good number of impressions. At least people can see your ads. Okay, people see your visibility. Okay, and then you check that what people are actually searching, and then accordingly plan your negative keywords. Okay, and there are some of the common negative keywords which also you can applicable after a few days only.
Okay, so first thing is the structural changes. You should make your structure professionally, and then see, and also that structure you have to keep in the Excel or some file, so like you get a proper idea what exactly the changes you are going on. The second thing is the budget. Definitely budget is a crucial thing. Okay, you can keep your budget like you know that like you work with the smaller client to bigger client. So now every time you have a
so question is, are you asking the budget to your client, or your client is said you can start anything what you say?
Definitely, I asked we asked to our customers like what sort of budget, in that budget what exactly you are expecting. Definitely client expectation never ends. They expect a huge number of inquiry, huge number of business. But definitely you have to come with the reality. In $5,000 you can get this number of inquiries or this number of business. So that should always you keep from your you get from your experience. So that is things that is things there. But like in a smaller budget, what I feel like, if client having a smaller budget, so always like the keywords play a major role. few keywords having like that so recently I have clients, the budget is around $200 in a day. But the thing is, when I target the same campaign in US, one keyword get a clicks around $35 to $50. So you assume like in a 5 clicks my campaign will we can say it can be stopped. So my whole thing is like you should do all your hard work, get a maximum keywords where having a low budget value, okay, and those kind of keyword definitely get a few good clicks, and those good clicks can be converted in the business. So definitely budget up play a vital role in your campaign. So you have something.
And one more thing that don't target the broad areas. Okay, target if you get latitude areas. If you have a smaller budget, okay, don't target the like XYZ, a complete Mumbai city or something. You can select your areas. Okay, select your something, and then slowly and steady you can increase the number of areas as well as per your budget.
Okay, also can you give some third point is landing page. So can you give some more idea on landing page as well?
Yeah, so a lot of people actually start creating a campaign and start using the websites. Okay, there are a lot of services, products you are offering on the website. Okay, and then when you have a prospective product or services. Okay, so don't use a website as a landing page. Okay, create your own landing page with the custom designs. Okay, so custom designs, when we are saying that, okay, there are a lot of ready-made templates which you can choose, or ask your developer to create a one separate page where there is a quick call to actions are there, like quick form would be there, or quick phone number would be there. Okay, or you can add a quick whatever the offers you are currently running on your ads, put them on the banners. Okay, so people can connect with that. Okay, because if you are showing that I'm giving 50% off, and person is coming on the website, okay, and he is not able to find where is the 50% off, because he has connected the our ads or click on our ads because of that particular offer. Okay, then put some kind of information like show the testimonials, reviews, why you are different. Okay, so people can get that information and quickly fill the form. Okay, because ask provide the information what you are offering. Okay, why you are best. Okay, why he should ask you for the particular services or your products he is going to purchase or he's going to ask you for. Okay, so there are other things I guess landing page should have. So Mr. Nidlep can give us the more information.
Yeah, so like I do agree with your points. Okay, landing page should always creatives and all. So all the points covered by Mr. Dharmesh. But now the fourth point, which is really helpful to get a success in your account, it's a creative. Now creative, it's whenever like I'm talking about creative, definitely people think about the creative banners and creative ads. Definitely that should be there. But one more, it's creative in thoughts, creative in logics. Like now what is your logic to create behind on that particular ads? So creative, when I give you the examples of Volkswagen, so they created one campaign to engage to the customers who are we are going to get married and who are already married. So they are connected there. A new car can be a part of your new family. Okay, so that is really, and India is like the biggest event. It's a marriage. Okay, so now they connect with that particular campaign with this particular audience, and they get a maximum success in the campaign. So always think how you connect your client for particular events or like time period. So you get a maximum success. So 4 things again I tell you, what are the 4 points to achieve your success. One is the structure. You make your structure properly. The same structure you have to keep in Excel or some other format. The budget. The 4th point is the landing page. 3rd point is the landing page, and 4th point is the creative. Okay, creative in terms of everything. Thank you so much.